Use the picture provided to answer the question. What's the ratio of red circles to green circles? Is that great? So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red circles. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green circles. So then the ratio would be 5:5. And I'm right. Of course I am, because I'm the teacher. All right. For the next question, use the picture provided to answer the question. If there were 10 red circles, how many yellow circles would there be? So right now, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red circles. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow circles. So 5 red to 4 yellow. If there are 10 red circles, then how many yellow circles would there be? So here, I see that 5 was multiplied by 2 to get 10. So 4 times 2 would give me 8. So if there were 10 red circles, there would be 8 yellow circles. So I type in 8. And I'm correct. Yay! Number 3. Use the picture provided to answer the question, what's the ratio of blue circles to all circles? All circles means we should add them all together, including the blue ones. So there are 1, 2, 3 blue circles. And we know that there are already 3 blue circles, so let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 circles in all. So I counted all of the circles, including the blue ones, to get a ratio of 3 to 17. Okay? Yay! All right, number 4 asks, are the ratios equivalent? If I have 4 to 6, I'm trying to see if it's equivalent to 8 to 12. I know that ratios are equivalent if they're multiplied or divided by the same number. 4 times 2 is 8. 6 times 2 is 12. Because they were both multiplied by 2 and gave us the correct products, 8 and 12, then the answer is true. These are equivalent. All right. Next, we have a similar situation where we're asked if the ratios 3 to 7 and 21 to 28 are equivalent. In this case, 3 is multiplied by 7 to get 21. 7 is multiplied by 4 to get 28. Because this one's multiplied by 7 and this one is multiplied by 4, they are not equivalent to each other because they have to be multiplied or divided by the same number in order for them to be equivalent. Next, Stephanie buys 3 bags of chips for $1.62. What is the unit rate? In other words, how much does she pay per bag? And we know that per means that we're talking about the number 1. So, if she buys 3 bags for $1.62, or we can say $1.62 is what she paid for 3 bags, then how much is 1 bag? And when we're trying to find the unit rate, we simply divide. So, we divide 3 into $1.62. 3 can't go into 1, so we bring our decimal up. 3 goes into 16 5 times. 5 times 3 is 15. 6 minus 5 is 1. Bring down the 2. And 3 goes into 12 4 times. So this is 54 cents. So if 1 bag costs $1.62, then she pays 54 cents for 1 bag, which would be A. Dirt up there still. Number 7. What ratio would be formed if 5 to 6 is 5 times greater? 5 times greater means we need to multiply each one of them by 5. So 5 to 6 means that I need to do 5 times 5 and 6 times 5 to create a new ratio that's equivalent, and that would be 25 to 30 or you can put it as 25 to 30 so that it matches the original form of the other ratio. So 25 to 30 is our answer. We submit. Next, what ratio would be formed if 12 to 10 was 2 times greater? So 12 to 10. Again, we need to multiply it because it's 2 times greater. Multiply each one by 2. And we get a new ratio that's equivalent to it, which is 24 to 20. So it's 2 times greater. Now, if it asks us for one that was 2 times less, now this one doesn't, but just in case you see one like that, 2 times less would mean you would need to divide by 2. But in this case, it's 2 times greater, so we're multiplying, and less means that we would divide by 2. Okay, so in this case, our answer was 24 to 20. That was our new ratio, so we're going to type in 24 to 20 as our new ratio. And there are numbers going all over the place, and that's fine because it's technology. In this problem, we're asked to simplify 5 to 25. Simplifying means we find the number that both of these have in common. We're looking for the greatest common factor. So 5 can go into 5, and 5 can go into 25, so we divide. 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 25 divided by 5 is 5. So the greatest common factor, the biggest number that can go into 5 and 25 is 5, so we divide by 5 for each one of those. And then our answer would be 1 to 5. We submit that. So anytime we're trying to simplify a fraction, make sure we're looking for the greatest common factor. For this one, we have to find